grid as the backbone of electrification is facing many challenges these days. It's becoming very old. Also, the extreme weather conditions, frequency and intensity of extreme weather condition is increasing in recent years. And this is putting a lot of pressure on the grid.
In big picture, right now we have an aging of our grid infrastructure. This is not only in US, in Europe, all around the world. For example, in US, 83% of our power outages are due to extreme weathers.
At GridWrap, we're bringing solutions to increase the resiliency of the grid's utility poles and wires, and increase the resiliency of the grid and increase the mechanical load capacity of the grid.
For example, in US, we have around 185 million poles. Each year, we are replacing between 2 to 4 million poles only because of aging. And we are unable to even address the extreme weather impact on the grid. Each pole costs, in average, around $20,000 per pole, total cost. And it's huge cost to ratepayers at the end of the chain. We have developed our technology, grid hardening solution from GridWrap, that you can apply on existing poles. And instead of replacing the poles, you can apply and make the pole much stronger, like day one, like the strengths. We can bring back the strengths of the day one for the poles.
With our solution, there is no need to rebuild the grid infrastructure. We use the existing infrastructure. We bring a solution that is based on composite material. We wrap it around the existing utility poles or existing cables, and it will increase the load capacity. It makes them harden, and it will increase the resiliency.
And if you utilize GridWrap solution, you can save the money, lots of money, and you can push back this money to the ratepayers, or you can use this money in the other constructions for other facilities, for your expansions or other projects. The solution itself is a very fast solution. Sometimes utilities, the cost is not really important. For example, if you have a storm, you want to have a speedy recovery after this storm, you are looking for a solution that can be a very fast solution. This is one of the advantages of our technology. Second is that you don't need to interrupt electricity delivery to your customers. As a utility, they are looking for how they can serve their own customers. And if there is electricity delivery interruptions, that's going to be impacting them also. And another thing is that we have to look at for our technologies, this is a very safe solution for their crew, because the way its application is that you are eliminating the need for crane, heavy-duty equipment that sometimes cause the safety concern for utilities.
I have a PhD in mechanical engineering, and I have done a lot of research on composite material solutions during my master's and PhD dissertation, and continue working on composite material solutions specifically for grid in GridWrap when we founded this company with my co-founder.
My background is a composite material scientist, and last couple of years we specifically focused using our composite solution technology on grid resiliency, grid hardening.
We had very good experience with CalSEED program. Being a solution providers to utilities as a very slow process of sale process, we always need to survive through this very long sale process. And CalSEED program gave us this opportunity with their grants and their support to overcome this hurdle, and we were able to survive this process because of CalSEED.
I think next 5-10 years, still we're going to have a continuation of aging of grid infrastructures, and also this intensity and frequency of this extreme weather that impacting grid is going to be more and more, and also it's going to impacting grid a lot. And also on top of that, we are moving forward to renewable energies. For renewable energy transmission, expansion, we need to have a robust grid in place that we can transmit those grid.
I am Talia Zargar. I'm CTO and co-founder of GridWrap.
I am Dawood Zamani, CEO and co-founder of GridWrap.